Monitor iDrive BMR device backup status and activities via the device interface. Connect to the iDrive BMR device interface using the device credentials. The dashboard displays critical information about device health, device storage, cloud storage, and a summary of backups and restores. You can monitor backups of computers, VMware servers, and network shares from the respective tabs. On the Computers page, click the settings icon corresponding to a computer to manage its local backup settings. Click Backup Schedule to view and manage the schedule. Configure schedule at global, group, or individual computer level. Set the backup interval and schedule. Enable Force Full Image Backup at the required frequency. Configure data retention and save the changes. Manage the recovery points of a computer in the Manage Recovery Points tab. Similarly, go to the VMware Servers tab and manage VM backup for the VMs added from your ESXi hosts and vCenter servers. Go to the Network Shares tab to manage local snapshots and configurations of the NAS and iSCSI shares on the iDrive BMR device. Instantly recover protected computers and VMs by creating virtual instances using the recovery points, either on your iDrive BMR device or on the cloud. Click the RHS settings icon and manage the recipients of backup email notifications for computers, VMware servers, and network shares. Manage the recipients of device email notifications. Check your mail server port details. Manage users for private NAS shares. Configure network settings and review firewall restrictions, if any. Change the time zone for the iDrive BMR device according to your location and enable or disable your partner's access to the device. Enable two-factor authentication for additional security for your iDrive BMR device interface. Click the RHS Statistics icon to view the storage utilization details of all your backups and network shares on the device. The System Health tab provides comprehensive information on the iDrive BMR device health status. Open the ISO slider to upload a WinRe ISO recovery media to the iDrive BMR device. You can also install the iDrive BMR Recovery Media Builder application available on this slider to build an ISO recovery media.